from our programmings from the past, from our childhood. Which means that all the results we have in life is from almost all the results, it's from our subconscious mind. They say only 5% in business, they say only 5% is the strategy, 95% is the mindset. So when we reprogram our mindset, this shows how powerful we can get. And this picture represents the mindset, the iceberg. You see, like our conscious mind, it's such a little part that is visible. The invisible controls the visible. So all our beliefs, our values, our memories, our habits, everything comes from the subconscious mind, all our self-image.
I don't know if this is correct or not. Because when we watch a movie,
Sorry?
When we watch a movie, we cry, we get scared.
Yes.
Although we know that it is not real.
Yes.
So although that, our subconscious is actually controlling our conscious.
Yes.
So even when we are living, we are under control of subconscious.
Exactly. That's why I wouldn't recommend. Imagine all the movies we're watching, violence, killing, and we watch sometimes all the bad movies and accept all this information that goes in our subconscious mind and affects our behaviors, our results. I was studying politics before. I was working at the Danish embassy in Spain. And when I saw the politics, how many things that I didn't like, I stopped watching the news. Today, I don't watch the news anymore. Some people might think that's ignorant. You have to watch news. No, I prefer. We are the creators of our life. We can change the world by becoming the best version of ourselves, not by accepting all the negative information from the outside. So guys, until now, just to before we go to the next part, what do you think until now, what you learned? Has it been useful?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. What would you say that was some of your takeaways? Some insight that oh wow, this I learned. What do you think was important?
Understanding our subconscious mind and conscious minds and how does it play a role in our life.
Yes, very good. Something else that you think was important to? Yes?
I think the habits live in the subconscious mind.
Yeah.
So if you develop habits, if these habits are habits of success, then success will be natural.
Exactly.
It's in the subconscious. You don't even know you're doing it.
Yes.
You just do it.
Yes, exactly.
What's crazy is a lot of it is already programmed by like 0 to 5, even in vitro, like our sense of safety and, you know what I mean, our nervous system and everything. So it's like,
Exactly. It's crazy how much information we got to reprogrammed with from the past, from the news, from our parents, from everything. When we understand how the mind works, we can change our lives. As well, what do you think about identity? Was that important too, to understand how your identity works?
Definitely, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Great. So before, I want you again to stand up, to move a little bit, move your hands a little bit, move the energy. We need some movement. Yes, some dance moves to move some energy.